Hey guys, hope you're doing well. So in the last video, we tackled the taillights on the Fusion and they came out amazing. And they really accentuate the car. So I'm really happy with them. And now we're gonna be installing the 3-piece splitter to the front end. So I'm gonna back out the car, get everything positioned, and we will get started. All right, so again, here's the box. And it comes with this piece for the driver's side, this piece for the passenger side, and this piece that connects the two in the center. It also comes with hardware. So you can see here it has this curve to it, so it does curve to the bumper. I don't think you need to jack up the car. And as long as you're cool with getting down on the ground and stuff, you should probably be okay. So initial assessment, you are gonna need to drill into the bumper, but the hardware is provided, so it's really no big deal. And plus you can see it's really not that much. So my plan of action is to use some double-sided tape and get the fitment that I want, and then from there drill the holes and screw it in, and that should basically be it. I actually want to take a second to give a big shout out to the sponsor of this video. My girlfriend, she actually bought me this piece, and so Yvette, thank you, I love you, and it's gonna look awesome. Now back to the video. And so this piece goes on this side, hooks up to this piece, and then you have this piece on the end, and that's basically it. Now I didn't tighten it all the way, there's still a little bit of give to it because I want to make sure I can get the fitment how I want it and then tighten it down. So I got the tape on some areas, just 3 pieces on each side. Only contact that's gonna be made in the middle is on the raised section. So you really don't need too much tape. Now if you've ever messed with 3M double-sided tape, you know it's a little hard to get the red piece off. So I'm gonna try to do that as painlessly as possible, and then we'll get on to test fitting it, drilling the holes, and then that should be it. The fitment on this is actually amazing. But yeah, basically I was just using things that I found around the garage to make sure it stays in place. But check it out. Look at that line right there, just straight down. So there's that. Now this Ford emblem is the center of the car. And right down the middle, trying to flash some light, is the centerpiece of the splitter. And then you come over here to this side, and look at that. All right guys, got a few bolts on so it's not falling off or anything, but now it's basically just put in the last bolts and we should be done. And if you're wondering, yes, the floor smells like dog. I think my package is here. I think this is it. Come on, Thor, let's go. I literally ordered that yesterday, but that's another video. And we are finished. So I will say I did have to use 2 of my own screws because the ones that it came with were a little short in the middle piece of the left section and the right section, but they're literally just 2 screws, so I don't really think that should stray you away from getting one of these if you're looking at it, because honestly the fitment is so nice. Here, let me back the car out so I can more accurately show you guys what it looks like. What's up, pup? Just give me 2 minutes, just give me 2 minutes, just give me 2 minutes. All right guys, here it is. And let me reiterate, because I know that some of you guys were probably concerned about the fitment. I'm using my phone flashlight, but look at that. So right there, that's the right side. So these 2 little vertical, whatever you want to call them, they are the centermost section of the car, and you can see this sits right in the middle, the center line of the grille and the Ford emblem. So dead center. And then same thing over here. That line that's created is just spot on. Super happy with it. Yeah, the fitment is beautiful. It literally took only about an hour to get it on. I honestly thought it was gonna take some finessing to get it to fit just where I wanted it, but you guys saw what I had set up. It was literally just some paint cans, some napkin bags and all that stuff, but this thing came out really nice. All right guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe because it really helps support the channel, and I will catch you guys in the next one.